Hello, and welcome to My Low Country Living. I'm Tommy Ray. Today we're going to make French toast monkey bread. This is so good, you're going to love it. This will change up what you make for breakfast when you have family over. The ingredients are really simple. You start with 2 cans of refrigerated biscuits, 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, a half cup butter, a half cup of maple syrup, and just a bit of powdered sugar. Okay, let's go and get started. Okay, the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. And while that's preheating, we're going to go ahead and grease a bundt pan. So I have some nonstick cooking spray here. We're just going to spray the inside of this bundt pan with that. All around. And then we'll take a 1/4 cup of flour and just pour that in here and just mix that all around so that our monkey bread does not stick to our pan. Okay, there is our greased and floured pan. Okay, the next step is to go ahead and to mix together our ingredients for the French toast part of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix together our heavy cream, eggs, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and the kosher salt. So let's go ahead and get started here with 1 cup of heavy cream. 1 egg, 2 eggs, our cinnamon, vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons, and our kosher salt. And go ahead and just give that a whisk up here together. Now we're going to take our containers of biscuits and we're going to go ahead and cut all the biscuits into quarters. Okay, as we cut those quarters of biscuits, we're going to go ahead and take them and just throw them into our mixture, the egg mixture. Now that we have the biscuits all mixed together, we're going to go ahead and place them in our bundt pan. And we're just going to go ahead and line them in the bundt pan as even as we can get them. You want to make sure you kind of shake off any excess liquid back into the bowl as you're putting it in there. Okay, the next step is to go ahead and take our half cup of maple syrup and we're going to go ahead and add that to a small pan with our half cup of butter and let it mix together. We can see our butter starting to melt quickly in that pan. Okay, once our butter's fully melted and the pan begins to simmer, we know it's ready to go ahead and take off the stove. Okay, and the next step is to go ahead and take our butter and just pour it into the bundt pan over all of our monkey bread. So this is the butter syrup mixture and it's going to make that bread taste so good. Next, we're going to take our bundt pan and place it in our oven at 350 degrees. And we're going to place it there for about 25 to 30 minutes until it's golden brown. Now I did put another cookie sheet below the bundt pan just in case the mixture starts to bubble up and go over the sides. I don't want to have a difficult time cleaning my oven. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. We're going to take out our bread. Oh, that looks yummy. Delicious. Okay, our monkey bread's been cooling for 10 minutes. Now we're going to go ahead and flip it and take it out of the pan. Yummy. And to finish it off, we're going to go ahead and put just a little bit more syrup. And sprinkle on some powdered sugar.